welcome. 188, I think. We're gonna come back to this problem. I feel like I can do this one. So, let's see if I can do it. The frequency of each character in the substring. So yeah, we just find. Let's pull up the drawing board too. I actually want to break this down. Right. We have AA, and the longest is 3 because AAA is the longest. Oh my god. AAA is the longest substring of S, such that the frequency of each character is greater than or equal to K. So we kind of want to maximize the substring. Wait, why not this? Oh, I see. It's AAA and B, or it's just BBB. Oh yeah, A is valid and BB is valid. Oh, okay. The frequency of each character. B wouldn't be satisfied because. Okay. So that makes more sense, right? Okay. I'm not sure. Okay, I can get the frequency of everybody, right? Also, it has to be a substring. Like, we have to go expand out, right? Keep going, keep going. Okay, yeah. So we basically have the current window, which will be the. Yeah, I can have this. The window is like the like. Okay, this boom. Is it K? No. Is it K? No. Is it K? No. No. This is kind of one of those where I don't need like a left pointer. Like, I don't want to ever shrink. You know? Well, I could shrink if it doesn't like if I can add something else. Like here, like I kept going because like the window. Okay, the window for this is 1. Window for this is 2. Window for this is 3. Capture. Window for this is 1. Window for this is 2. That's what I'm saying. I think that's the kind of idea. Just keep going, and if it satisfies the condition, then snap it. Right. So I think we can do that, right? So for r in range of length of s, and then we can also do this. This s of r 1 plus get or freak dot get freak s of r. Oh wait. Okay, so we have that. Get s of r da 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 da. Alright, we record it. If is valid, then res equals right. I think that's kind of it, basically. Frequency that kind of returns a boolean, you know. So return for every value in freak dot items if value greater than k, less than k, get them out. So return false, return true. Something like this, right? So oops, I'm not object oriented. Sorry. Oh my god. Ooh. Wait. You know what? I'll have L there. But it's not gonna really move. Kinda is low-key useless. Come on. Just give it to me. Just give it to me. Please, please, please. You know, life never wants to do that. Okay, let's take this and understand why. So we have B, B, A, C, C. So the longest should be 3 because, I mean, technically this. Actually, wait, what? Okay, why is it 3? Because I can maybe see this, but this would also be valid. No, because C would fail. So, oh, I got it now. So, like, snapshot, nope. Snapshot, nope. Snapshot. I guess 3 makes sense because of this. Because, like, yeah, like, if it's not, then we should maybe move L. But if we move L, I kind of miss this, you know? This one's tricky. I'm missing something. Like, you would have to go through the entire string. Yeah, mine does it one time. Maybe I can brute force it where I try, like, a different L. You know, like a different, like a starting point. But that's probably gonna be like fucking N squared. That would actually work though. I'll just do it brute force, at least, you know. I don't know how I could optimize it, you know. Maybe a 2-pointer, like we can start at the ends and then kind of slowly close in. Okay, so what if with at least K repeating repeaters, you know? I feel like it will be like really time efficient, but let me try it if it works or not, you know? Like I can try different L's if that makes sense. Like, okay, that could be what R is. No, that could be what L is, and then like while L is less than length of S, right? And then we can do this. And then kind of, you know, fix this up. This is gonna be super pretty inefficient, but I can't think of. I mean, maybe I can use some kind of thing, but I don't know. Of course, we will increase L, and we will always start at L. We could do that. probably gonna be really slow though. Oh wow, okay, actually that made that pretty worse. Let me see, we'll walk through this. So we start L. Yep, keep track of that. Oh, we should definitely reset. Definitely reset our frequency. Yeah. Maybe that's the trick. Do I need to go through every one? Ooh, wait. Let me cook. I can have some future foretell if I already have. Hold on. Let me cook. I can have some kind of forecast, right? If I have the counter, right, of S, right? Like I can have the counter of S. I can have some foreknowledge, right? You feel me? And 4 in range of L to Ln for 1 plus freak dot, yeah. Like I don't really need this, right? Let's say a given thing is not valid, but I should keep going because I know foreknowledge wise, like I know that I will have more A's. I won't know where, but I will have more A's. If I don't know, like I feel like it has to do something with that. Like I know I won't have A's, but it will be A's. Like I know I won't, like I should keep going because I know there will be some A's. You know? I just need to know if they're contiguous. Like, okay, I will know I have what I need for B, but I don't know if they're gonna be like, okay, yeah, this is valid, but it would make it invalid because C's in the way. And so since, okay, is it like valid? No. So we decrease. Is this gone? No. So okay, we keep going, cause this is, we used all of them. Nope. Yeah, but yes for A. Boom. Yes, we have used all the characters that we want that are in this window. Well, okay, low-key frequency, this could 1 is the default. And then we want to be greedy. Can I keep going? Now, how does this... No, not... We want to be greedy. As by being greedy, we can go... Basically want the entire string. And obviously that's being greedy will mess us up, so let's try to shrink. So, will this work? No. Will this work? No. So there has to be some balance, you know? There's got to be a condition. I'm not finding that condition. I can't see that condition. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so like, okay, does this satisfy? No. 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 This so basically 0. So when do I move up though? I don't know. I can't see the. Here's the thing. I want to know one thing though. I want to see if this was right though. I'm pretty sure it will work, but I just need a freak equal freak. Yeah, reset the thing. Yeah, but I might get TLA to be honest. So it's probably inefficient. Yeah, I already see it. Oh! That kind of sucks, because I wish it, well, that worked, I guess. Any more optimal solutions, please? What the fuck? Yeah, that is disgusting solution. Recursive. I guess you can. I have to kind of do it like this. Oh, wow. Okay, sliding method. Bro. Okay, I guess my solution was not terrible, but maybe not very memory efficient, to be honest. Well, I got it. I don't care. That's a win for me. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.